I have a guest in the house today. Of course, no name, no face, no identity.
I feel honored to be able to share this with people all over the world. I mean, I've never shared this experience with anyone. Thank you for the privilege. I'm so grateful. I was molested and raped at the age of 6.
What did you say? You said you were molested and raped at the age of
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
By
my mom's best friend, dad.
Meaning that your mom had a friend.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's mommy's friend.
Yes.
The father of your mommy's friend.
Yes, ma'am.
Is as good as is your dad.
Yes, ma'am. I mean my grandpa.
He's like a grandpa as
yes,
well. I'm trying to hold myself in this episode. But the question is, where's your mom?
Well, at that time, I can't really say because my mom is not always around. It's not as if she leaves for work or anything. But I don't know. But she was not always there, so
If a 6-year-old child would say my mom is not always there, that woman, she's not a mother,